Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. Myself Vijay Kumar, your maths teacher. Today we will discuss chapter 12, Exponents and Powers. That is question number 7 onwards. By the end of the video, you will come to know the laws of exponents and its application. Also, how to write the numbers, larger numbers and smaller numbers in standard form. Now we will discuss question number 7, simplify. That is 25t raised to minus 4 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 multiplied by 10 multiplied by t raised to minus 8. And I hope all of you studied the laws of exponents. First you studied very nicely, then you can do the problems. Quick solving of the problem is possible only when you study the laws of exponents. So learn it properly. Now here the first thing we are doing is make the power positive. Here t raised to minus 4. Power is negative. Power means that here minus 4 is the power. Power is negative. And here also power is negative. So in the numerator, if the power is negative, we can make it positive by taking it to denominator. And if the denominator, if the power is negative, we can take it to numerator so that power becomes positive. That is the first thing we are doing. So we can write this as 25 multiplied by 5 raised to 3 multiplied by t raised to 8 divided by t raised to 4 multiplied by 10. That is we have taken negative power, that number to numerator, and from here this to denominator so that power becomes positive. Now 25 we can write 5 square because 5 into 5 is 25, therefore 5 square multiplied by 5 raised to 3 multiplied by t raised to 8 divided by 10 we can write 2 into 5 multiplied by t raised to 4. And here 5 square multiplied by 5 raised to 3. Here we can apply the property law x raised to m into x raised to n, that is x raised to m plus n. So that means for multiplication, if the power is same, base is same, power we have to add. So here this becomes 5 raised to 5 multiplied by t raised to 8 divided by 5 into 2 into t raised to 4. Now listen to this term, 5 raised to 5 divided by 5. This is of the form x raised to m divided by x raised to n. So this becomes x raised to m minus n. Here you can see base is same, 5 raised to 5. 5 means 5 raised to 1. If a simple number is written, that means 5 raised to 1. So by simplifying, we can write it as 5 raised to 5 minus 1. We are applying this property here, x raised to m divided by x raised to n. Answer is x raised to powers we have to subtract. So here we can write this we can write. We will write it here. You can write below. I am writing here. That is 5 raised to, that is equal to 5 raised to 5 minus 1, that is 5 raised to 4. Then t raised to 8 divided by t raised to 4. T raised to 8 divided by t raised to 4. This is also of the form x raised to m divided by x raised to n. That is t raised to 8 minus 4. That is equal to t raised to 4. So here also we can apply this t raised to 4. We are applying x raised to m divided by x raised to n. That is equal to divided by 2 t raised to 4. So first you study the laws of exponents, then start doing the problems, and anywhere minus is coming in the numerator, if the power is negative, take it to denominator. The denominator power is negative, take it to numerator, so that powers becomes positive. Hello everyone. Now we will discuss to express the numbers in standard form. Standard form we are using to write very large numbers in short form, or the exponential form is used here to express numbers in standard form. And when we write the numbers in standard form, it becomes very easy to write, understand and compare the numbers. That is, for example, the distance from Earth to the Sun is 1498 This is the distance from the Sun to Earth. This much distance is there. When we write these numbers, there is a lot of chance to make mistake and compare the numbers. When you copy down the numbers, then also there is a chance of making mistake. So this standard form we are using to avoid this type of difficulties. So when we write a number in the standard form, first we will take a number, that is suppose 14960. Then when we write a number in the standard form, here I am going to write this number in the standard form, then I can write it as 1.496 into 10 raised to 4. 1.496 into 10 raised to 4. That is, this is the standard form of this number. That means when we write the numbers in standard form, two parts will be there. That is, this is the first part and this is second part. And first part is always between 1 and 10. Suppose this number is x, then this number is between 1 and 10, including 1 also. It can be 1 also, but less than 10. So this part will be like this. 1.496, 1 point something. That number is less than 2. Always it is less than 2. So it satisfies the condition that is less than 10. Less than 2 is less than 10 also. So 1.496, that is less than 2. If you are writing 3.4 something, that means it is less than 4. So this number is satisfies this condition, that is first part is between 1 and 10, and second part should be a power of 10. That is here 10 raised to 4. First part is between 1 and 10, including 1. That is, this number can be 1 also. Then second part is a power of 10. Then now we can discuss how to write the number in standard form. That is, if there is no decimal in the given number, here you cannot see any decimal. So suppose the question is like this. Then we will put the decimal at the right end. That is at the last. Right end means this is the end, right side. So we will put the decimal here if there is no decimal in the given number. Now our answer should be, the first part should be between 1 and 10. So we have to take the decimal from here to here. Then only it will be between between 1 and 10, 1.4 something, then only it will satisfy this condition. So shift the decimal, take the decimal from here and move backward. That is shift to left side. That is 1 place, 2, 3, 4. So answer becomes 1.4960. Then multiplied by the second part will be a power of 10. 10 will be always there. Power is coming like this. It is shifting to 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left side. So power will be positive. That is 10 raised to 4. Because 4 places it was moving. 1 place, 2, 3, 4. So power becomes 10 raised to 4. If it is moving back, then power will be positive. If it is moving right side, now it is moving left side. So power is positive, and if it is moving right side, power becomes negative. Because original number was this, and when we write this number becomes very small. This part becomes very small. So to balance it, power should be positive. So this is the answer of this question. And 1.4960 you can write as 1.496 also. If there is 0, if you are not putting, no problem. At the last, if in between there is 0, you have to write. But in the last, if 0 is coming, if it is not writing, no problem is there. So this is the way to write the numbers in standard form. I hope all of you understood how to write the numbers in standard form. Now we will discuss exercise 12.2. First question, express the following numbers in standard form. So here we can see the decimal here. And when we write the numbers in standard form, first part should be between 1 and 10, including 1. That is less than 10. So the decimal is coming here. It becomes less than 10. So we have to shift the decimal to right side. That is from here, it should be shifted to here. So we can count how many places we have to move. That is 1 place, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer becomes 8.5. When the decimal is here, it becomes 8.5 because so many zeros are on the left side. No need to write. So 8.5 multiplied by, now the second part is power of 10. Now how many places we are moving? That is from here right side. Moving right, power of 10 becomes negative. Moving left, power of 10 becomes positive. That we can write in your copy also. When shifting decimal to left side, decimal to left, then power of 10 positive. Shifting decimal to left, power of 10 becomes positive. Power of 10 becomes positive. And shifting decimal to right side. Right, then power of 10 becomes negative. Power of 10 becomes negative. This you can write in your copy so that you will remember when you have to put the negative and positive sign here. And now next number you see, here there is no decimal. Here there is no decimal. So we will put the decimal at the last. That is at the right end. In my right side, right end last. Now shift the decimal. Decimal should be here. Then only answer becomes 6 point something. That satisfies the condition less than 10. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 places you have to move. Now 6.02. 6.02. Since you are moving decimal, you are shifting the decimal to left side, your left side. So power becomes positive. Here no negative, positive. Therefore 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to 50. And 6.02, after that all are zeros. Therefore no need to write that zeros. When you write the answer, only 6.02 because all the numbers are 0. And here also, when you write 9.42, before 9 all the numbers are 0, therefore no need to write. Therefore answer becomes 9.42 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 12 for this question, and here it is 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to 50. Here all these questions satisfies the condition for standard form. First one should be less than 10. 8.5 is less than 10. 9.42 is less than 10, and 6.02 is less than 10. And second part is a power of 10. And power of 10 is positive when you are shifting to left side, and power of 10 is negative when you are moving to right side. These are the things you have to keep in mind when you write in standard form. I hope all of you understood this. Do practice at home. Now, next question we can discuss. Express the following numbers in usual form. Usual form means normal form. Here given number is in the standard form and or in exponential form. So we can write the numbers in normal form. So first we can take the first number, that is 3.02 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6. This we can change into power, we can change into positive by taking it into the denominator, that is 3.02 divided by 10 raised to 6. Now 10 raised to 1, that means 10. 10 raised to 2, that is 100. So we can write it as 3.02 divided by 1 with the 6 0 because 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6. Now normal decimal, that is fraction, division of fraction with the division of a number with the 100,000, that rule we can apply here. Here we see 3.02. When you divide by 10, 100 or 1000, first you write the number as itself. Now, how many zeros? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 zeros are there. So, from here, 6 places it has to move left. That is, 1 place is here, and after that, 5 zero you have to add. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this becomes this one. So division of a decimal with the 10, 100 or 1000. What we are doing is, first we will write the numerator as itself. That is 3.02. Then here 60 in the denominator. So from there, here actually the decimal was here. 6 places it has to move back. That is 1 place, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places has to shift back. So the answer is this one. So first what I have done is make the power positive by taking it into the denominator. Now normal form. This is the exponential form. Now after that I have written normal form. Then this is just like a fraction, division of a number with the 100 zeros. That is here. When we change the number into decimal form, first we are writing the numerator without any change. Then, how many zeros are coming? That much places that the decimal should shift back. When you are doing the division, it will shift back. When you are multiplying, it will move forward. So, first the decimal was here. Since there are 6 zeros, it should shift 6 places. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. Now the next one we can do 4.5, second answer. That is 4.5 multiplied by 10 raised to 4. And here also we can write 4.5 multiplied by, now 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to 4 is a number, 1 with the 4 zeros. 1 with the 4 zeros, that is 10 raised to 4, so 1 with the 4 zero. Now for multiplication, how many zeros are coming? That much places we have to shift forward, moving forward. For division, moving backward. For multiplication, moving forward. Here 4 zeros are there, so 4 places we have to move forward. So first the decimal was here, then 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal will be here. So this is the answer. And don't put the decimal here also, then here also. Now when we take the decimal, don't put the decimal here. It is shifted to here only. Now the first you finish these two, then we will do the last one, that is third question. 3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 8. It is third question. 3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 8. First step is make the power positive. Therefore 3 divided by 10 raised to 8. Now this becomes 3 divided by 1 with the 8 zero because 10 raised to 8. Therefore after 1, 8 zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Now the normal fraction, how to convert the fraction to decimal. When 10, 100, 1000 is coming, how to convert fraction to decimal, that method is applied here. First you write the number only, and here 8 zeros are there. If there is no decimal, we will consider the decimal here, and for division, shift the decimal to backward. So 8 zeros are there, so we have to add 7 zeros. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then only we can shift to 8 places. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So decimal will be here. First there was no decimal, so we will consider the decimal at the right end. Then shift it to 8 places. So that we have to add a 0, because here only 1 digit, here 8 zeros are there, so 7 0 we added here, so that we got the answer. This is the answer. The remaining question in this, do as homework, try yourself. Thank you. Now we can discuss question number 3, exercise 12.1. Express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. The first question, 1 micron is equal to 1 by, here 10 lakh is given, 1 micron is equal to that number. Now, micron means the smallest unit of so that the unit of length to measure very small length. So this we have to convert in the standard form. So first we can write this 1 by, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. So we can write this 10 raised to 6. Now this we can write 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Now this is also in the standard form. First part is coming between 1 and 10 including 1, and second part is the power of 10. Now the next question. Size of a bacteria is given, and this also we have to convert into standard form. So the decimal should come here, then only it becomes 5 point. So take the decimal from here. This becomes 1 place, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore 5 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7. Since it is moving to right side, decimal will be negative. The next one, size of a plant cell is this one's number 0.40, then 1275, 0.00001275. And here also, when we convert the decimal to here, it becomes a number between 1 and 9. So this becomes 1.275. Then how many places we are shifting? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this becomes 10 raised to minus 5. Since it is shifting to right side, the power becomes negative. Therefore 1.275, 10 raised to minus 5. The same type questions are there in the this exercise, that you try yourself. I hope all of you understood this chapter. Do all the classwork and homework. Do it neatly within 29. You have to finish all your work. Thank you.